We'll see now how to fill the information about the vesting schedule and allocation. We're going to follow the example of Celestia token that we have here. So at the time of filling the vesting allocation, we need to pay attention into 6 things. The first thing is the name of the agent that is going to receive the allocation. Then we have the agent type. There are 4 types of agents: stakeholders, treasury, incentives reserves, and market makers. So in this example, the Genesis drop and incentivized testnet and all the early backers plus the initial core contributors are going to be stakeholders. Stakeholders are meant to be people that supported on early stages the project and that at some point they are going to sell their tokens to get some profit. Then we have the R&D ecosystem that in this example it is going to be the treasury. Future initiatives are going to be either treasury or incentive reserves. That depends on if we are going to be using this to provide rewards to different agents such as users or liquidity providers, or if they are going to be used to spend on marketing, etc. Here in this project, there is no liquidity supply or market making. This is important in our simulation and it is mandatory. So what we are going to do is consider that part of the future initiatives are going to be used for this market making. Then we have the information of start month, allocation first of all, which is the percentage that each of the agents are going to be receiving, and then cliff months, vesting months, and the start months that are depicted in this graph. So how would we obtain our token vesting schedule in our platform based on this information? Well, first of all, the public allocation are going to be split in 3 parts. As commented, this is Genesis, which is fully vested in month 0, future initiatives, which is fully vested in month 0, and liquidity as well. We are going to represent that in this area. The Genesis drop is going to be a stakeholder, the future initiatives is going to be incentives and market and reserves, and finally the market maker, which is selected here, and it is the one who is going to be supplying liquidity into the market. Then we have the R&D ecosystem, which due to their composition here, it is going to be split in 2 parts. The first one, it is fully vested in the month 0, since it is unlocked at 3 years. The second part, it is going to be vested during 3 years after the first year, since it is going from year 1 to year 4. The initial core contributors can be done in just 1 row, since basically this configuration it is vested in 3 years with 1 year cliff. And for the early backers, it is quite similar to what we have seen here in R&D ecosystem. Fully vested in month 12 instead of month 0, and then vesting during 1 year starting after 1 year. So based on that, we are going to be filling all the information, and this is how we obtain our vesting schedule based on this initial hypothesis.